behind. Well, I've got a sister, and she has got a baby with brand new eyes. And her daddy is an engineer, and they just took her to the sea for the first time. And now they're underneath the big umbrella. Summertime to help us forget 9 to 5. We have got to leave all that behind. The pier is farther than it seems. Midnight at the shoreline, fireworks above us, a screaming gloom. And they're sent for some teenager, and kid, whoever you are, I am thanking you. And now we're dancing with no music. What is happening? No feelings except this is right. We just had to leave all that behind.